A quick topic today, polishing the anti-reflective coating or something like that on an older MacBook. Here you go. We can see it's been through a bit. It's a little scratched. We'll see how it goes.
We have this cool chemical from France, like liquid silver. Shake well before using. Okay. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, I think shake it well.
Let's open it. They say to spray on
Cloth, not on.
Matrix.
Okay. If this doesn't help, we'll use a stronger one. But I see that we probably won't need anything stronger.
And we have it. It will be hard now to...
But it is definitely much better than it was.
Hello, hello. 3.2.0. Until next time.